How's it going, guys? We've got a Mavic Ksyrium SSC SL front hub here that I am looking to replace the bearings on. I just wanted to make this video in case you're doing the same thing. These are sealed bearings, so you have to buy replacement sealed bearings. And this is the axle. The way it comes out is you need the Mavic special tool right here. It's got these little teeth right here. And basically you'll take that and a 5mm Allen key, and you are unscrewing, after you've taken out the quick release, you unscrew the 5mm Allen key while holding this thing stationary. So you're really rotating this counterclockwise, and then eventually this thing will come out, and then you can take the other side. I threaded it on just so I don't lose it. And these are the bearings inside of these hubs. And so inside of these hubs, the inner diameter of this bearing I just measured is 12mm, and then the outer diameter is 24mm, and then the depth of this bearing I believe is 5 to 7mm. So I'm going to be trying to see if I can purchase some bearings for that. And yeah, so in terms of actually removing it, the way we can do that is by basically taking a punch and you push it. This isn't long enough, but you're going to knock out the bearings from the other side in there, and you do the same thing on the other side to push these things out. And then you're going to get a socket to sit over the outer race of the bearing and then push it all back in, and that'll be how you do it. So hope this was helpful, and thank you all for watching.